It's giveaway time, and I have this Audiopipe TXX-BDX8. We did the unboxing, we did the flex testing, and now with the bi-weekly Get Pipe by Audiopipe and Big Jeff Audio giveaways, we have the set, the same speakers we used in the unboxing for you to win. How do you win? First off, always gotta like this video, comment your name, location, why you should win. You have to share that out. This is how we grow the platforms, not just mine, but the manufacturers. It's how we get these giveaways to give you free stuff. Right here, 2 8-inch for you. Then you need to text us the word BDX to 737-244-5333. That's real simple. It's 737 Big Jeff is our number. You have to text us the word BDX. You'll get an auto reply. It's going to ask for your name and what the code word is. And that was in the unboxing and flex test video. If you didn't watch it, click right here or right there. We'll take you back to it, get the code word. And then we announce this on the Big Sound by Big Jeff podcast, which we do every 2 weeks on Tuesday nights, 7:30 p.m. Eastern time. And during the podcast, we announce the winners of the giveaways. Okay, so the Get Pipe by Audiopipe BDX8 giveaway starts right now.